Da 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 da.
Wow! Lego! Let's play with Lego. Oh, it's a little Lego girl. Lego feet. Hee, what does she say? Hello, a little Lego girl. Da, 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 da. Hello, Lego girl. Oh, let's build her a Lego house. We need to use the long bricks to make her a Lego house. Like this. We can put one brick here to get started. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at that. It's the bottom of her Lego house. Are you happy, little Lego girl? Yes, she is. Okay, Lego girl, what colour bricks do you like? Maybe you like the red, blue, yellow and green bricks. The red, yellow, blue and green bricks. Let's put some more bricks on to make a house. Ready? A yellow one here. Another yellow one here. Uh-oh. A green brick. Oh, I can see another green brick here. They are the long bricks. Let's put one more green brick. Green. Ah, a red brick. Excellent. But, oh no. Can we put a long brick here? Let me try. Oh no, she can't get out. No. Let's try again. We need the little brick. Ha-ha! Great. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 circles. This is the little brick. Perfect. Let's try another little brick here. Great. She has 2 sets of bricks for the walls. Are you happy, little Lego girl? No? You're not happy? Oh, that's because her walls are not high enough. We need 3 sets of walls. Here we go. We need to use more long bricks. Blue, green, white, yellow. Oh, wow. A grey brick. This colour is grey. Let's put the grey brick here. Do you have Lego bricks at home? You can build a house too. Here's a red brick. 1 and another red brick. But now we need the small bricks. Let's look around. Da-ding! Ha-ha! Look, another small brick. Yellow. Let's put it here. Ding! Next one. A small brick. There we go. Fantastic. Are you happy now, little Lego girl? Oh no, she's not happy. It's raining. And she can't get out of her house. I know, she needs a roof. A roof. Ding! Look, it's a big green roof. Let's put the roof on top of her Lego house. Perfect. Oh no, there's still another hole at the back. Don't worry. Ding! A grey roof. Let's put that on the back as well. Good job. And one more. A green roof. Perfect. Look, a Lego house. Are you happy now, little Lego girl? Ha! Great stuff. A Lego house for a Lego girl. Why don't you try at home? Send me a picture of your Lego house. I can't wait to see it. Especially if it has windows. See you next time. Bye-bye.
We love Hiya.